So, as the release of iOS 27 Developer Beta 1 quickly approaches, we continue to learn more, and the new features and changes continue to be revealed in regards to what Apple is working on for iOS 27. Now, iOS 27 Developer Beta 1 is expected to drop on June 8th at WWDC. And as I mentioned, today we're going to go over some of the latest new features that have been currently revealed that Apple is working on for their next major operating system, iOS 27. Now, we know that Apple is already working on a system-wide slider to adjust the look of glass within iOS 27. Now, this comes through a report from Mark Gurman, and Apple is said to be working on this new feature that will work similar to the slider on the lock screen for the clock here. So if we go under Customize and we tap on the clock, we have this slider here that allows us to change the look of liquid glass, as you can see right there. Well, Apple is working on a slider that would adjust the look of glass system-wide, and we already know that Apple is now working on this. However, a new report suggests that Apple is also working on some additional changes to customize your iPhone. For example, if you go into edit mode to customize your device, according to Mark Gurman, Apple is actively working on adding an undo and redo option to the customize platter on the top section right there when you go to customize your device. So for example, if you go under customize and you make some changes on your iPhone, let's say you go with the tinted option within iOS 27, if you change your mind, you can actually go back to this platter and there will be two new options to undo and redo in order to revert the changes so you don't have to go back and manually change back to your previous setup. Now, according to this report, Apple could be featuring this new change to undo and redo changes to the home screen of iPhone with iOS 27 as early as the first beta at WWDC. Obviously, I'll keep you guys posted in regards to this. Hopefully, we'll see additional customization options coming to the iPhone, but so far, undo and redo could be coming to the customization platter on the home screen of iPhone with iOS 27. Now, according to this new report, Apple is planning an AI overhaul for the photo editing in iOS 27 and macOS 27. Apple is looking to compete with Android devices, adding new features that include using Apple Intelligence on device models to extend, enhance, and reframe photos in the Photos application within iOS 27. Now, take a look at this concept here that I found online. I thought I did a great job representing some of the features that we just talked about here. You have the Apple Intelligence on device tools. You select the option for Apple Intelligence, and then you'll be able to enhance, extend, and reframe photos using Apple Intelligence on device models within iOS 27. I think this will be a great idea to add to the Photos application. Now, a previous report also suggests that Apple will be letting AI platforms, big apps like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, Alexa, Meta, etc., to be directly queried within Siri to enhance the experience of Apple Intelligence within iOS, macOS, and iPadOS. Now, these will be separate applications that you can download from the App Store in order to integrate your favorite AI into Apple Intelligence. And when you press on that side button, it won't default back to Siri. However, it will actually use the AI model that you prefer. So this report came also from Mark Gurman, and it appears that Apple is now solidified this specific idea in order to allow these third-party AIs to be directly integrated into the Apple Intelligence experience. And there you guys have it again. We're only 40 days away from the first beta for Apple's next major update, iOS 27. I can't wait to see what Apple has in store. Let me know in the comments down below, what are some of the features you would like to see Apple add to iOS 27? Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.